welcome to my channel Shimoli Learn and Share. I am Shimoli Shah. In my channel I try to learn and share new things with you. So I hope that you like my all previous videos. If you have any comments and suggestions, then please share in the comment section below. So friends, today I will share how to make a origami frog that can jump. So let's start. Please be with me. For making a origami frog, we will take a square paper of any size. I have taken of 22 by 22 centimeter. First we will fold it half like this. Now we will fold this side here again half. First we have made a cross out of it, this way. Now fold it one like this. And now we will fold this edge here, triangularly, like this, and make a cross. Then and this edge here. Cross out of it. We will do the same on the other side. Just cross like this. Now we will push this 9 in. Like this, and make a triangle. We did push this in and put a crease out of it. Same on the other hand. Like this. So it's in this way, right? So we fold this edge here. Same this edge here, like this. Same on the other side, like this. This, and now we will fold this here. Same on the all four sides. Now turn it back like this. So then fold this with this middle line. Like this. Same. And now this point here, we will push this in. Turn it back and fold this half like this, and fold again half, and this one doing like this. So now our frog is ready. So friends, this is our jumping frog. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.